Stefanie Hanson with Beckman's Real Estate, and I'm at my listing of 235 Brody Lane, where the inside extends out to this large covered patio looking up into Big Mountain with those Big Mountain views. I'd like to take you on a tour today, so come join me. You'll see as you walk into the great room a glass garage door that opens fully onto the covered back patio where your inside entertainment can extend out into your outside entertainment. There's a reclaimed wood fireplace. As you walk into the kitchen, you'll see a wall of reclaimed metal and again lots of reclaimed wood, concrete countertops throughout. Large chandeliers and fans that have been customized to the house. And as we continue into the oversized master suite, which also has a door to the outside where you can enjoy your coffee in the mornings or a hot tub dip at nighttime, with a large master suite bathroom with a giant soaking tub, walk-in shower, a very large closet to walk into. So on the other side of the house, you will have, opposite of the master wing, you'll have another bedroom wing that also has a washer and dryer and laundry room to service those bedrooms, and a large oversized bathroom over there too. And then upstairs will be a large bonus room or game room or whatever office, whatever your needs would be upstairs. All the bedrooms in the house have a walkout door onto the oversized covered patio on the back, which goes the full length of the house, which backs up looking up into Whitefish Mountain Resort or Big Mountain. The front of the home does feature a pond, which you could easily add water features and a waterfall when you drive up to the home. This is a unique must-see home, so please contact me today, Stefanie Hanson, for your private showing at 406-250-1782. I look forward to hearing from you.